Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to install Windows XP on VirtualBox. Firstly, download Windows XP ISO image file from a trusted source. Once the downloading is complete, then open VirtualBox and create a new virtual machine. Write any name. Now select downloaded ISO image file and click on Next. Here, enter your Windows product key. Now choose 512 MB of RAM and 1 CPU processor. Create at least 8 GB of virtual hard drive space. Click on Finish. It will automatically start to boot up. Wait to finish the startup setup process. Set date and time as per your region. That's it. Let's personalize some Windows XP settings. Thanks for watching. If you have any queries, please comment below.